Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, what does a narcissist think when you go no contact after the breakup? You already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. Well, they don't believe you that this is it, that you can go days, weeks, months, and years without speaking to them. The thought process is they planted enough seeds of doubt, made you think so much about what they would do for somebody else, got you so trauma bonded that you won't be able to not watch, look at their social media, be so angry that they got away with such bullshit that you can't fucking help yourself. Now the question becomes, are you gonna prove them or yourself right? You made this decision to get away from somebody who was unappreciative, unsupportive, and worked you like an asset and then disposed of you like you were no longer of any fucking use. And I'm not saying that you didn't walk away and leave. To the contrary, even if you did, even if you abandoned them, whether it was a reverse discard, narcissists expect unlimited access to you. Narcissists expect unlimited access to you, your spirit, and your resource. And I want you to consider how much you endured, how many sleepless nights, how often you had to beg for the bare minimum, but worse, how much disrespect you tolerated, hoping that they'd change, hoping that they'd finally admit their faults and take accountability, hoping that they would apologize, sacrifice, compromise for the person they said they love. And in the end, the narcissist is always gonna give you exactly not what the fuck you asked for. And they already proved that to you through action, didn't they? But the potential we thought we saw, how nice they could be to everybody else except you, how composed they would be when you went out in public, yet how fucking ravenous, diabolical, and disloyal they were behind the scenes. Shit, there is a reason you packed your shit. There's a reason you went no contact, because what you realized in that very moment is that no amount of extra you was ever gonna fix them, help them heal, or be the last piece to the puzzle that wasn't a complete set any damn way. That's right, this puzzle came damaged from the manufacturing facility. Don't got no fix or pieces that match that go to it, and the more you try to makeshift yourself into a fucking pretzel, trying to prove your loyalty, overall intentions, the more you're frustrated and exhausted from proving time and time again they raggedy ass was never worth the effort. This is your opportunity to prove to you that you deserve the peace, you deserve the respect, the love, the quiet home you were in search of in the first damn place. It's an opportunity during no contact to reflect on all that you've been through, not just with the narcissist that would have ever made you even consider that giving them more of you, more grace, more compassion, more forgiveness was the answer to helping them be better. Knowing deep down in your soul during all that fucking turmoil, it won't. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.